Hi there, today's video is about a great tool called ChartSync that will enhance your technical analysis, allowing you to perform multi-timeframe analysis in a very efficient way. ChartSync is an indicator that can be attached to any number of charts. It synchronizes the objects drawn within those charts in a way that lets you see all the relevant details in each time frame at once. It's very simple to use, highly customizable, and it really makes your technical analysis much easier. To start, I loaded 4 charts, each one of them showing Euro USD on different time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour and 4 hour bars. I attached ChartSync to all charts. First, I want to show how synchronization is made. For example, if I draw a rectangle on the 4-hour chart that marks a significant resistance area, this object is automatically copied to all the other charts. So if, for example, you then focus on the 1-hour analysis, this important resistance level will be visible without the need to change the displayed time frame, giving you a better overview of the market. Then I go further and draw a trend line on the 1-hour chart, which immediately becomes visible in all the other charts. You can make adjustments to the drawings from any chart, everything gets updated instantly, saving you a lot of time. You can see now that this 15 minutes trend line is not copied to all charts, for example the 4-hour chart. That's because there are specific synchronization rules that you can tailor to your needs. Low timeframe objects are not copied by default to all higher timeframes in order to keep those higher timeframe drawings clean. But you can of course change this in the setting, and I will show you how to do this. There are a number of things you can configure in the settings. First, you can see that for every object timeframe you can select the lowest and the highest timeframe they are drawn on. For example, all objects drawn on the 1-hour timeframe will be synchronized down to 1-minute charts and up to daily charts. Change these general rules to any values you prefer. For every object type you can bypass the general timeframe settings. You can force them to synchronize on all timeframes, or you can disable the synchronization at all. For example, if I disable synchronization for rectangles, then the 4-hour resistance area will only be visible on the chart it was originally drawn. Enabling back the synchronization will display the area again on the other charts. If I go back and change the 4-hour sync timeframes and select to only sync down to 1-hour charts, you can see that the 4-hour box is only visible in the 1-hour chart. Change back to M1 and it will be visible again on all loaded charts. ChartSync also synchronizes the properties of the objects. For example, you can change the color of the box and it will be applied to all charts. This way you don't have to manually change it in every chart. Change it back to the original color also from any chart. If, for example, you draw a Fibonacci retracement, first you can see that it's been automatically synced. Then you can add an extra level. I'm adding the 78.6 level. When I save the change, this new level is immediately copied to the other charts. To add or remove the indicator is very simple. Just open a new chart and drag the indicator on it. The new chart will inherit the symbol and all objects drawn on the other charts, of course, with relation to the sync settings defined for the specific time frame. ChartSync also synchronizes the symbol. If you drag new symbol on one chart, this will automatically change the symbol in all the other charts and you can start adding new objects. If you want to return to the previous symbol, you drag it on any chart and it will load all the previous objects. This is a very powerful feature. You can perform multi-timeframe analysis on different symbols and all your synced objects will be cached. If you want to change the settings of the indicator, you only need to make the change in one chart. All the other indicators in the remaining charts will update automatically. You can, for instance, disable the synchronization for rectangles in one place and all the other charts will be updated. Enable it back from one place only. I hope this video gave you a first-hand idea of the benefits ChartSync can bring to your technical analysis. Please check the description below to see where to download it from. Looking forward to your feedback. Please share any comments or questions. Cheers!